Welcome back to another video, and today we are playing Subway Surfers. Let me just change my character. I mean, I normally use this character. You could use Jake. Oh, that's free? Okay. I don't know what character I'm using. Oh, I'm using Jake. Okay, anyways, let's play. You can roll under those small ones, or you could jump over those. This game is all about swiping, by the way. Okay, let's just... So look at, you can slide under, and next time I see it. This one you definitely have to slide, and look at, you could jump over it. That was risky. Oh, oh! At least I got a spray can. At least I got it. I'm gonna need that. Okay, let's go. Woman. Oh no. What does it say? Woman. Ah. Oh. Okay. Let's keep doing this. Oh, I'm about to jump over this train. Let's go. Jumped. I mean, I really need coins, so yeah. All I need to do is find the letter S, and then I'm good. I'm currently eating puffed Cheez-Its. I love puffed Cheez-Its. Like, Okay, one more round. Just trying to make it hard. Okay, let's do this. Oh, just did it. 2. Dang it! Well, oh. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Bye.